Welcome to the step-by-step guide for application for arbitration on the PSCBC portal. Use the URL to log into your Labor portal. Enter your username and password as captured during your registration. Click on Sign In. On your home screen, select your user type. Click on the Referrals image to access the Referrals subsite. On this subsite, you can click on All Referrals to view previous applications referred to the PSCBC. To apply for arbitration, select the New Referral button. At Referral Type, select Arbitration. Select the party referring the dispute. Select the date that the outcome certificate was issued. The system will calculate if condonation may be required. If not, then simply click on Submit. If condonation required displays as yes, then click on the link to download the application form. Click on Submit and close the window. Fill in the application for condonation. When your application for condonation has been completed, click on the Open Task to continue. On this page, you can now click on Submit to continue your application. Select the existing case reference number from the Data Source button. The case data will automatically be populated into the fields. Complete the required fields at the bottom of the form, then click on Submit. On the next screen, you will upload all relevant documentation as per the checkboxes. Once your documents have been uploaded, click on Submit. Your application has now been successfully sent to the PSCBC. You can view the progress of the application on the All Referrals page.